Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Make sure you have an administrator account and your current password ready. Once done, plug the laptop into power and ensure the operating system is updated. This reduces setup errors. Now open Settings and navigate to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. On older systems, use Control Panel. This is where you'll add or change passwords, PIN, and recovery options. Make sure to pause if you need to back up any unencrypted files before changing security settings. You'll now set the actual password. Click Change or Add under Password and enter your current credentials if prompted. Then type a new strong password. Aim for at least 12 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Once you save it, make sure to add a PIN or enable biometrics for faster access and as a fallback. Also register recovery options like a trusted phone number or email. This prevents lockout if you forget the new password. Finish by signing out and signing back in to confirm the new password works across services. Once verified, enable full disk encryption, BitLocker on Windows or File Vault on Mac to protect stored data. Make sure sleep/lock settings reflect immediate locking after an activity. If something goes wrong, use the recovery email or phone you set up or an alternate administrator account to reset the password. If those fail, boot to recovery mode and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.